So the overall project, we were a product of COVID. And so it did take a lot longer. And we did have struggles. We worked through it with Jeff and his team, and there were most definitely frustrating days. They got an email from me pretty much on a daily basis, and I'm sure they were all sick of hearing from me. But it was a difficult time. Labor was difficult, hiring was difficult, getting talented individuals to do the work. Jeff has been in the business a really long time. I do understand that, and but when it came to the end and we finalized the project, it was a good project. And we did, they did everything they said they were gonna do. Jeff completed absolutely everything. All the work that we needed to be done was finished. And we ended up with a really great project. And yes, I would call them again to come out, and if I needed to, I'm not ready for a renovation, but if I was looking to do something, I would certainly call Greystone again.